Lace up as we explore the dynamic fusion of comfort and performance in Nike's lineup of running shoes. In this video guide, we are going to preview the best Nike running shoes for men available today. If you like more videos like this, hit that subscribe button to stay updated on the latest in tech trends. Now let's kick off with some of the top contenders that will enhance your runs and help you chase those new personal bests. At the number 3 spot is the Nike Men's Air Zoom Pegasus 39 running shoe. Crafted for the long run, the Nike Pegasus 39 brings you a mesh outer for breathability and a rubber sole design to take the impact out of every step. Lace-up closure ensures a snug fit, navigating through your routes with unparalleled comfort. For runners who demand both style and performance, this might just be the go-to sneaker. For more details about the Pegasus 39, check out the product link in the description box. Ranked at number 2 is the Nike Men's Downshifter sneaker. Versatility meets comfort in this iconic sneaker. Designed for dynamic movements, the Nike Downshifter 12 seamlessly transitions from a casual day out to intense training sessions. Its resilient foam cushions your stride, while the anti-fingerprint rubber sole keeps your movements sharp and sure. With its environmental nod, sporting at least 20% recycled materials, these sneakers are a conscious choice for the eco-savvy athlete. For more information about the Downshifter sneaker, check out the product link provided in the description box. At number 1 is the Nike Men's Flex Control TR3 sneaker. The epitome of agility and comfort, the Nike Flex Control 3 is engineered for the athlete who demands flexibility and support. Its segmented rubber outrigger and durable overlays ensure total stability and traction, especially during intensive lateral movements. The Flex sole and breathable mesh upper blend to create a shoe that truly adapts to your workout's intensity. To learn more about the Flex Control TR3, see the product link in the OC description box. And there you have it, the top Nike runners for men that can really kick your performance up a notch. If this video helped you lace up with confidence, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more practical insights on your gear. Remember, every like and subscribe powers us up to bring you more content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the track.